When you're earning around 28k a month, which is around the South African average salary right now, what do you think you should actually be looking at when it comes to cars? Let me know in the comment section below, and if you enjoy content like this, please consider giving me a follow. So here's the truth. On 28,000 Rand per month, your car shouldn't be consuming half of your income. Yet, too many people do exactly that. Financial experts say you should only spend between 20 and 25% of your income on vehicle costs, including the installment, insurance, fuel, and maintenance. So, cars that are expensive to insure, costly to maintain, and heavy on depreciation are simply the wrong move. That means high mileage luxury used cars that look cheap upfront but demand expensive repairs, or brand new vehicles with big installments that take up most of your budget, are going to leave you stretched. New premium cars or bigger SUV and bakkies with big financial payments often require much higher income to be financially sensible. Instead, a smart move is to focus on reliable, low running cost and resale friendly cars that keep both your wallet and your peace of mind intact. So tell me, with 28k a month, what car do you think makes sense? What have you managed to afford comfortably, and what do you think people should avoid at all costs? Drop your honest thought in the comment section below, and I'll see you in the next one.